The Accelerate course is starting from the 10th of March for 4 Mondays. This is a chance for you to come and find out the different ways you can serve in our church while we help you unlock the gifts and talents that God has placed inside of you. If you are interested in this course, please speak to Dan or Cheryl after the service.
Flies high in the night sky, tears through the darkness.
Hi guys, I'm Chris. I'm here to talk about Mission 25 and all the ways you can get involved. This is the first mission of the new year, and so we urge you to go online at excelchurch.org.uk/mission25 to sign up for any areas you want to do it in, where you can do litter picking, face painting, refreshments, personal evangelism and leafleting. And this event is going to be on the 21st to 23rd on that weekend. So we strongly urge you guys to get involved and help us out.
God, our Savior, He goes before us and leads us on. We wave our banner, strong and mighty.
Hey guys, from today we are selling the brand new XL t-shirts. Kids ones are £7 and adults ones are £8. You are going to be dressed to impress in these gorgeous new t-shirts, especially if you're in Mission 25, which we all hope you are. So come down here to the foyer and buy your XL t-shirt today.
Soaring before us, yeah, we follow in boldness.
So that's all for XL News, but make sure you join us this Wednesday for release at 7:30, where we're going to have a prayer together and a Bible study. So make sure you come along and we'll have a great time together. Have a great week.